Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set your TikTok account to private using the mobile app. This feature is essential if you prefer controlling who can view your content, enhancing your privacy on the platform. First, open the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you directly to your personal TikTok page. Next, you're going to access the Settings menu. To do this, tap on the three-line hamburger menu located in the top right corner of your profile page. This action will bring up a broader menu with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. A comprehensive menu where you can adjust various aspects of your TikTok experience. Look for the Privacy option under the Account section and tap on it. This is where you can manage who sees your content and interacts with your account. To make your account private, you'll find a toggle next to Private Account. Tap on this toggle to switch it to the right. You'll notice it turns green, indicating that your account is now set to private. With this setting, only users you approve as followers can view your content. If you ever decide to switch back to a public profile, simply return to this menu and tap the toggle again to deactivate the private setting. Click Switch and done. Remember, this setting can be changed anytime based on your preference. Thanks for watching, and make sure to adjust your privacy settings as needed to ensure your TikTok experience is exactly how you want it.